To unlock the power of the Claude API for your applications, you first need to create an API key. We begin on the Anthropic Console, where we can manage our API keys. By the finish, you will have a new API key ready for use in your projects. We click Create Key to start the process of generating a new API key in the Anthropic Console. We fill name with tutorial demo key to give our key a descriptive identifier for future reference. We click Add to create the API key. This generates the secret, which is shown only once. Be sure to copy it now and store it somewhere safe, as it cannot be viewed again. We successfully created a new API key in the Anthropic Console, enabling us to call the Claude API from our applications. Remember, having this key is essential for integrating Claude into your own solutions. You have your API key. Now learn to build with it. The Claude AI Agent Engineering Masterclass takes you from complete beginner all the way to enterprise, with structured theory and hands-on labs at every step. Build real Claude agents the right way, and ship them with confidence. Enroll today on Skills Pragati.